Hello, in this video I'm now adding a picture. So I'm looking on my TV, I'm mirroring the images, so I'm using different images to show you what I'm doing. So that's how you add an image. Just align it. You can save the image like that if you want. So we're going on to the next screen here. I've added an image and I've gone to effects and frames, and you can add different images such as laptops, phones, Polaroid background, stuff like that. You can add neon effects, and you can also add picture frames, film frames. This would work as well with video, so you could have a video playing in the background. So these are quite effective. You could use them in VN, CapCut. You can watch on our videos how to add images like this or videos. So move on to the next thing in a minute. And there I've added a photo animation, so you can have it pulsating. So then I'm adding a star on. Now I've gone to projects. You can see the starred item there. So you can save your photographs if you use them a lot. Because you might have uploaded something like something for your particular product. So I'm adding a mug shot of myself. Not a very good photograph, is it? Look a bit sleepy there. So you need to highlight the frame, then go to effects. When I say an object, I mean like the image over to the right. And so you've got different shadows that you can add. So it looks like the image has got a shadow behind it. You can click into there and adjust the image. The blur there, the colour, the angle, transparency. So you can see me playing around with the colours there. So if you watch till the end of if you watch until the end of the video, you will see a video that's suited for yourself that you might be interested in. You also can see our Canva playlist, so you can see other videos like this. We'll also put links in the video as well for CapCut and the VN software, in case you're interested in any of that. So it's coming to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.